environment in other colleges. Trust me, guys, this is completely true. Okay, because the team conducts such kind of communication sessions, placement sessions, and everything in this type of college. Okay, and our faculty members are also very cool. So see, when I was in Genpact, I used to, I mean, I used to do in a night shift. Okay. So weekly, twice or thrice, I used to come to college to attend the classes because I'm doing night shift and also I'm managing I mean, this classes as well. Okay. And that is completely difficult. Okay. But faculty members are so much supportive. So they always encourage me and I used to copy the notes and everything. I used to study and in the time of third semester, I got an opportunity in Jaro Education. So that was the highest package, and I was the only student to select in that campus. So they have given enough training for the communication and everything. Because see, guys, communication is the main point in this current world. Because if you have enough subject knowledge, but if you don't have any kind of communication, then you might not crack the interviews. Because for the first round, communication is very much important. And in our college, every week they used to conduct the classes, and mainly in our college, I saw that, I mean, faculty members are just requesting the students to come to the classes to attend the placement classes and everything. See, just to concentrate in your studies and everything, remaining for job and everything, college faculty will take care of it. Okay. So I selected in Jaro Education for 6 lakhs package. That was a marketing job. So I immediately left Genpact because see, in Genpact I used to get like 1.8 lakh package. Okay, because I was a fresher at that time. So 1.8 lakh to directly 6 lakhs. It's a huge amount, guys. It's a huge amount. So I moved to Mumbai and I worked there. That was a marketing job. It's too tough. Okay, you have to achieve the targets. If you're not achieving the targets, then they will give you like documented feedback and everything. It's very difficult to sustain in Mumbai in that company. But I sustained it. So for 1 year I worked there. So I used to get like 6.6 package per year, and in hand I used to get like 50,000. So in Mumbai, it's very difficult to sustain, okay, because everything is, I mean, the cost of living is too high. And after 1 year, I got an opportunity in Amazon. And moreover, in Mumbai, I'm staying in Vizag, and I mean, my family is staying in Vizag, and I used to stay in Mumbai. So it's very difficult to travel from Mumbai to Vizag. It's very difficult. So that's why I left that organization and I joined in Amazon. So it was my dream to work in Amazon. So I got selected in Amazon. So in college, they will give you a proper training, just attend those training classes. That's enough. You will crack the interview easily. Just trust me, guys, because you don't find such kind of classes in any other college because I was a BTech graduate. Okay. In my BTech campus as well, I didn't attend. I mean, those people didn't, conducted that type of classes. But in our college, they will conduct many classes. Just attend those communication classes or else the placement classes. Okay. Get in touch with the faculty members. They are very friendly. Okay. So you don't find such kind of friendly faculty in other colleges. Okay. So just follow their path. That's enough. So after my after my master's in CMA technical campus, I improved a lot in my marketing skills, like in a subject skills. Okay, because previously I don't have any kind of subject skills like what's the exact communication and everything. But in college, they will train you properly. Just attend those classes. That's enough. I'm repeating, I mean, thoroughly that attend those communication classes. That's enough. So currently, I'm working in Amazon from last 3 years. So I was into a fraud prevention team. Okay, where we used to handle with the fraud customers. Okay, we have to investigate in each and every matters. So currently, I'm getting 6.5. So you can, I mean, you can think that like from 6 to 6.5 only he joined in Amazon. I mean, in Hyderabad. But see, in Mumbai, the cost of living is different. Okay, so you will get a more package. In Hyderabad, you know about the cost of living. So that's why I joined with 5.5 package, and currently my package is 6.5. Okay, so this is about myself. But in the time of college, I struggled a lot because doing night shifts and attending the classes are too tough, So, however, I have managed all the classes and everything. Mainly, Harish Reddy sir is too much close with me. I mean, he's close with everyone. Okay, he will help you definitely for each and everything. Just listen to his words. Just listen all the classes. Just attend all the classes. That's enough. He will take care of the placements and everything. Because see, lot of people are placed from our college. Okay, so just attend those classes. That's enough. So this is about myself.
Yeah, Ravi, What about your life, after CMR, because many think that, getting a high package, it
Yeah,
is, after getting a high package, your job profile, otherwise your position is very safe. So no pressures and all such type of things. But I want, my students to know exactly what is life, really in the job, whenever you get, when you get into the job. I definitely get to know from a lot of people that it is not a smooth platform. You need to
exactly.
struggle there. So
Yes,
how you have coped up all that particular difficulties in Mumbai, because you were there for a long time in Mumbai, in Jaro,
yes,
because most of the people, students are from different colleges, though I definitely got surprised when the HR called me into his cabin and just put a letter in front of me, and that
yes,
letter, it was dashed from your company to the college, directly to the college, thanking
yes,
the college actually and the
yes,
management that, thanks for such a brilliant student given to our company. So that was a very great appreciation toward college, and you made our college, feel very high, because not only getting a job in that company but performing absolutely there, and meeting the targets, and that is how we got an appreciation from that company. I've just put that letter in the notice board of the department
yes, sir.
for
Yes,
long
yes,
days,
yes,
for
sir.
almost 2 years, because I want everybody to see that particular letter.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
you are very special, when you compare to when coming to performance in the companies. It's very
Yeah.
rare occasion that colleges will receive such type of appreciations. So
Exactly, sir.
we are very proud of you, Sai. But we want to know, our students want to know really how exactly the platform will be once you get into such type of packages.
Okay. Yeah. First of all, it was a privilege to attend such kind of interviews, sir, because you brought such kind of opportunity to our college, right? Because 6 lakhs is too high package, right? In 2015, I guess, because in 2015 we were not having such kind of package. So, guys, see, that is too difficult to sustain in such kind of company, because if they are giving 6 lakhs package means the work is too tough, And in Mumbai, the city is completely different. It is completely different from Hyderabad, because uh, compared to Hyderabad, the cost of living is too high. And coming to the performance as well, see, as sir said that, I mean, he attached my name and the performance on the notice board. I visited the college. Okay, I had checked, because I did such kind of performance in that college. So see, the job role is, I mean, it's a marketing. For example, you have to sell something, like it's a distance MBA. So you have to go to the outdoor meetings and everything to, like, to engage the candidates with such kind of meetings. Okay, you have to tie such candidates with the college environment. So that is too difficult in that college. And they give a huge target as well. They give a huge incentives as well. If you do work in such kind of way only, they will provide you the money as well, because uh, like sustaining in such kind of college is too difficult. So when I went to Mumbai, it was completely new for me, because in Genpact I used to work for 2 lakhs package, and the work is also too easy in Genpact. Okay, because like Monday to Friday office, evening 6 to 3 shift. Just he will give some work and I have to do some work. That's enough. Okay, they will just check for the login and logout times and everything. But in Java education, it's too difficult. Okay, the login and logout time is completely. I mean, you have to follow. It's a very strict company. So morning 10 o'clock you have to log in, and evening 7 o'clock you have to log out, and they will give you some targets. So you have to achieve those targets. If you don't achieve those targets, they'll simply throw out from the company. They'll just give you first, for one time they will give you some notice that, say, this is a warning, like a warning letter they will give you. Okay, and then the second month they will simply remove from you. I mean, simply remove you from the company. But I worked for like 14 months in that company, and it was my wish that I had to leave the company, because they didn't remove me from the company. Just I left that company because it was very far from my hometown and very difficult to move to travel from Hyderabad to Vizag. So that's the thing I had left, but
Yes,
it's
coming.
too tough, sir.
Yes, coming back to you regarding working in Mumbai. do you suggest students to go away from their hometowns at least once in their lifetimes to face this such type of obstacles? Because otherwise, I what I tell every batch is that you just move from the comfort zone, because if you are in comfort zone, you will not flourish. You have to go out of the comfort zone,
You're right,
go
sir. You're right.
go for the all types of jobs, whichever opportunity comes in, go for it, strike for it, then enter into it, then know the hicks and cons of it, then you can come out, then you will be a real hero. That is what I was telling every batch and every student. And
Yeah,
in the same year, I still remember Shirisha also was there. She bagged the HR post in the same company, which with 4.8 lakh package. That was also a very huge package. And
yes,
I was very surprised. Even she was also still sticking to that job till at least 1 year. And she was
yes.
alone in Mumbai. She was alone in Mumbai, working very hard, coming late in the night. That was very tough for her. But now she's doing wonderful colors. Back to Hyderabad, placed in a very different company, but she's
Yes,
dominating there. So that is what once you go into difficulties, then only you will know the real what you say, the problem, and then
you're
you
right, sir.
can do wonders. Do you think, is it true that going out of the comfort zone is definitely will help the candidates?
You're absolutely right, sir. Absolutely right. Because you have to move from the comfort zone, because if you're staying in home, everything they will spoon feed, okay? They'll just feed you. So you'll not learn what is life exactly. If you go out from your home, if you go out from your comfort zone, then only you will come to know that what is the exact life. Because in Mumbai, I don't have any kind of self vehicle for me. Because in Hyderabad and Vizag, okay, fine, I have everything. But in Mumbai, I had nothing with me. Okay, so like in the kind of Mumbai city, it's too difficult to live. Okay, but you have to come out from the comfort zone and you have to see. I mean, what are the things are there in such kind of cities? You will learn that what is the culture of the city, or else you will learn the work environment of the city and everything. Because I used to go in a auto or else bus. Okay, to the office. And as well as for the outdoor meetings, I used to catch the local trains. The local trains are too much rush. Okay, but still, I used to go in a local trains and everything. And also, you will meet lot of people in such kind of places, because Jaro Education always hires outside people only. They don't hire the local people. Okay, they always hire like a Delhi people, or else like Madhya Pradesh, or else Gujarat people only in their company. So you'll go and you will meet lot of people. Okay, you will come to know that what is the exact culture of those people. You will if you work with such kind of culture, then only you can sustain in your rest part of the life. Okay, so it was a great journey. And along with me, my one of my friend also joined in Jaro Education. Her name is Sirisha. So she worked as a HR, and she's also new to the place. Okay, so we used to stay like near. She stays near to my place only. She was stayed in a PG. Okay, so it was very difficult for her as well. Okay, okay, boys can stay at any place. Okay, it's not a big deal, but for girls it's very big deal. Okay, so she was into a very comfort zone. Okay, and from that kind of zone she directly moved to Mumbai. So I was also very surprised that how she will sustain and everything, but she did. And she also worked for 1 year. So later we decided that it's better to move to Hyderabad, because it's our place. And it's fine that if now we can get a good package and everything. So now she is also into a very good position. She is working as a HR, and I'm working in Amazon. That's the thing. So,
Yeah,
yeah. So just leave your
yeah.
comfort zone, guys. Then only you will come to know that what is the exact life.
Yes, Sai, you both have given a lot of inspiration to the coming batches also. After that, we have crossed that record of from 6.5 to 6.5 lakhs to we have even to 10.3 lakhs.
Wow, that's
So,
great, sir. That's
yeah,
great.
yeah. In 16 batch, we could bag. Sorry, 17 batch we could bag 10.3 lakh package for three guys. So
That's
three of them
that's
have
great.
bagged these jobs. This is where we are definitely moving forward. People like you should come always and suggest these younger ones to how to hit it, and when they hit it hard, so that things will be in their favor. It's good that there's a lot of competition outside. Competition will help them. So guys, those who are in the room, meeting room, this room is for you. Come on, go ahead and ask all types of doubts what you have. and how did he crack the job, and what was his situation when he was facing his interview. I was there. I still remember, Sai. I
Yeah,
was there. I was there in the interview. I
just
think
I
it was
forgot to
late.
tell you. Yeah, I forgot to
Yeah,
tell, sir.
yeah.
You
It
know,
was. It
guys.
was late. It was late at 10 o'clock, I suppose. I was there
Exactly,
with you.
exactly. So you know, guys. So Harish, at that day, I remember he stayed till 10 o'clock. No faculty member will stay because see, it is not his duty. Okay, if I'm getting some job, he will not get some bumper offer or anything, right? Just a happiness. That's it. So he stayed till 10 o'clock with me. I remember that day, sir,
No,
because the interview schedule was very
my aim
excellent.
was I want my students to get into it. That's all, because that was a
Exactly.
huge
I
package.
I know the
I
struggle,
was
sir. I
there.
know
I
the
was
struggle.
there. I want my students to strike back.
Exactly.
The final interview was for about 5 to 6 guys, but you made it.
Yes, sir.
I still remember how you performed. Yes, because there were a lot of tensions there. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
the
Yeah.
entire central basement was very heated up then. I
Yes,
still remember.
exactly. Exactly. I
Yes,
still
guys.
remember, sir, that day. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, guys, yes, you have any queries, you please go ahead, because this is a very good opportunity meeting such people, and giving such valuable time because they are very busy. So coming back to CMR, we have everything with you, everything for you. Go ahead. Any queries, please?
Guys, any queries?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hi.
This is Shobha, sir.
Hi, Shobha.
I have a question, sir. For which company you attended first interview and how you experienced it
So, in my college or else outside of college?
in our college, sir?
In our college, I attended only one interview, that is Jaro Education. So, they have conducted 3 rounds. Okay. So,
Okay.
like 9 or 10 colleges attended on that day. So, first round was group discussion, GD. Okay. So, we used to sit 20 members and they are selecting only one member or two members from each and every. They are just filtering. Okay. So, for first round only, they have filtered like 500 or 600 employees. Okay. I mean, out of the interview. So just selected, they have selected only 30 or 40 members out of the 500 or 600 members. So second round was face-to-face interview. So it was for 30 minutes. So he asked me to sell a aeroplane. Okay. So I
Okay.
just convinced him that how can I sell the aeroplane and everything. So after 30 minutes of round, I selected for third round. So after 3 days, they have conducted an interview for which only 5 members got attended for the third round. See, 600 members to only 5 members. So see the competition. I have
Yeah.
attended only one interview. So in third round, she asked me to sell few things. Okay, so she asked me a lot of things. Like it was an interview for 40 to 50 minutes. Okay, it was very tough, and I cracked the interview. And she gave me 3 months of time to join the company. So in meanwhile, I left Genpact and I completed all the formalities. And then I joined in third semester. So for fourth semester, I came to college to write the exams and I completed.
Yeah,
So
sir.
interview will
Thank
be
you.
very tough. Yeah, you're welcome.
Yes, Sai, could you please tell them how confident it should be when you face such interviews?
See, confidence is the main part. Okay, so that's why I'm just requesting you to attend those kind of communication classes because first round they will check only for the communication. Okay, whether you are good in marketing or else finance or else HR, whatever subject, maybe you're a great person. Okay, but for first round they will conduct like GDs or else a jam round, like a just a minute round. So they will just check for the communication, that how you can communicate, because masters means in management everything depends upon the communication only. If you're a HR person, then communication is very much important. For finance, it's important. For marketing as well, you have to meet lot of people. Okay, for everyone, communication is very much important, and confidence is the another thing as well. So it is also very important. So be confident. Okay, whenever so they'll conduct interviews, just prepare for yourself. Okay, just see your face in mirror and attend the interviews. Okay, just practice, make a mock interviews and everything. Okay, and in your friends as well, just conduct mock interviews. It would be very much helpful. Okay, don't be shy that see he will laugh at me or something else. Okay, nothing, don't fear at all. Just attend the interview, just conduct mock sessions in between you people. It would be very helpful. Okay, because for first round in any kind of company, they'll check for the communication and be confident.
Yeah, that's true. That's true, Sai. Yeah, any more questions, please, coming in?
Good evening, sir.
Good
This
evening.
is Layasri.
Hi.
So my doubt is that many people feel that only the boys means gents will get the marketing related jobs. Is it true?
No, nothing. That's a completely false statement. Because in Jaro company, when I joined, 65% people are women, ladies, and 35% men. See, that's what I said. If you're good in communication, if you're very confident, they will hire you. Okay. There is nothing partiality in between there is nothing partiality in between the genders. Okay. So if you're good at your skills, then they will hire you. So that's why the best example is Jaro company only. They'll completely focus on the women empowerment. So that's why 65% are women, 35% are men.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. If you're interested in marketing, then it's a very good thing. You can go ahead. You will get a good placements. Nothing to worry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, gone are those days when only marketing elective was taken only by boys, majority of them.
Exactly.
We
Yeah.
could see only 1 or 2 girls there, but last batch, I could see almost 20 girls in the marketing elective.
Yes, sir.
So,
Exactly.
so it's nothing there where you can. That's what we're discussing last few days. That electives doesn't have any bar. Anybody. It's all after all they are electives, and after all it is academics, and after all you have to perform. Whenever you
Exactly.
go into jobs, jobs are jobs for everybody. So this is what we keep on telling these students. HR is not for girls, and marketing is not for boys.
Yes.
Everything is for everybody. Right?
Yeah.
Somebody is there. Yeah, somebody is there. Rule number 77. You got any doubt? '77.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah, come. Yeah,
Hello.
please
Hi.
come in.
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
come in. Come
Yes.
in. We can hear you. Audio mute చేసుకో. Yeah, any more doubts, please? Yeah, so Sai,
Yes.
what best we can suggest? Yeah, anybody? Yeah, somebody's
Yes,
coming in.
sir. Sir, this is
Hi.
Kavi.
Yeah,
Hello, sir.
Kaveri,
This is
please.
Kaveri.
Yeah. Hi, Kaveri.
Sir, as you have said that out of 600, only 5 got selected for the last round.
Yes.
So usually, people say like communication. As you said, communication is one thing that people mostly focus on. What are the other things that should be focused so that we can learn now, which helps us when we face interviews or when we do work? Because uh, that is totally a different scenario when we step into the job place. That is totally different scenario. So what are the skills and how we should cope up ourselves so that we can handle the situations what we face there?
Yeah. Good question. So in this case, confidence levels are very. Plays a very vital role. Okay. And the presentation, that how you are presenting your skills in front of the guy who is asking you the queries. Okay. Because see, he don't ask you anything out of the box. Whatever he will ask you the things only. Okay. The only thing is presentation. That how you are presenting.
Okay,
So
sir.
that's why. So see, faculty members conducts the placement trainings and everything, right? So they will provide you the huge information about this. Okay, they will teach you each and everything. Just attend those classes. That's enough. Okay, they will conduct mock interviews and everything. They will inform you each and everything, that how to attend the interview and everything. So you can crack. The presentation is very much important.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Sai, is there any? I want my students to also know that before attending any placement drive, is it definite that you should know everything about the company?
Exactly. Yeah, this is also a good question, sir. So yes, obviously, guys, whenever you're going for any kind of interview, just learn about that company, okay? Because every company people ask you for tell me about my company. Because see, if you don't know about that company, how will you join that? Okay, so just learn about the company. Just Google it. Just the basic information is enough. Okay, Wikipedia is enough. Because in Jaro interview as well, she asked me that what about Jaro? She asked me the question, and I told, because I just Googled it. So just Google the information. Okay, the basic information is enough. That who is the CEO, or else when was it established, and like how many branches it is having and everything. So what kind of role they perform. Just Google it. Okay, that's enough. So knowing about the company is very much important. In Genpact as well, they asked me, and for Amazon as well, they have asked me in the final interview, the final round. So it's very much, yeah. So it's a good thing to learn about the company.
Yeah, this is also important, very important.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Very
So,
important.
so what impact CMR has put you on the rest of the life after CMR? Sai?
Yeah, after
What
CMR,
impact?
sir, yeah, life is very happy because I got an opportunity to move to some other place like Mumbai city. Okay, I got an opportunity to work with such kind of huge package. Okay, because see, if I was in Genpact, I might be in a good role, but I don't. But I'm not sure that I would be in this kind of package. Okay, because in Genpact the package structure is very slow, and if you move in same company, the role might be extended, but the package would be same. Okay, but in CMR, I got an opportunity like a Jaro company because see, 1.8 lakhs to 6 lakhs is a 6.6 is a huge platform. Okay, a huge amount. So in CMR, I got this opportunity, and I would be very thankful to this faculty and as well as the college. Okay, and after college, see, I'm in Amazon. So earlier days of Amazon was very tough. Okay, but now it's very fine. Okay, so I'm very happy, earning good amount and leading a good life.
I also request, whenever I see my alumni coming across on different platforms, whether it may be social media, otherwise live, or otherwise somewhere, in malls or somewhere on the road, whenever, most of them will actually recognize me, but I'll take some time. But some people are there who have just performed absolutely after their MBA. But whenever I meet them, whenever they meet me and they recognize me and they come to me and they talk to me, Sai, I ask only one question. Okay, there was absolutely, it is very selfish-ended question. First thing is, now come on, gentlemen, what can you do for my college? What is that you can do for my college? Because you are placed in that company. So
Yes.
every time I request them to please absorb even these batches, coming generations to, so that they will also get an opportunity whenever there is a opportunity raising up in your companies. First, always remember that there is one particular source, that is CMR, which can definitely provide your people there. So I request Sai that if there is an opportunity in Amazon, if there is any vacancies coming in, so please be in touch with us. And you very well know Madharo sir. I think Madharo sir is on the line. I don't know, but
Okay.
you please contact me or contact Madharo sir, so that you just ping us. Then we will obviously send our students, because they are very much eager to join these companies.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. Because see, I know the current situation is too bad. Okay, but company like Amazon is hiring people. Okay, so that's why, guys, never disappoint with the initial package. Okay, just grab the opportunity for this kind of MNCs. Just enter into the companies. Later, you can see if you're getting a good opportunity, you can move. But first, grab the opportunities. So in our college as well, if they're bringing such kind of placements, okay, never look for the placements. If they're bringing such kind of placements, it is very good because they will completely check, they will completely do a background verification, then only they will bring the companies to our college. Okay, so see, in Amazon as well we have a lot of openings. Okay, so currently, I mean, till last week we have hired for like customer support people. Okay, even I also joined as a customer support associate only in Amazon, then I got promoted, now I am into a different skill. Okay, so that's why I'm saying, just grab the opportunity, whatever you are getting, grab the opportunity. Okay, so that's the thing I can suggest. And moreover, if any opportunities will be there, then I'll surely inform a placement officer or else Harish Reddy sir, so that he will recommend you for the job.
Yeah, any seniors coming in? Sheikh Shanaz, you are there. Any Rafija? Okay, Sheikh Shanaz is there. Rija is there. Anybody want to come in and ask any question to your alumni? Shanaz, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you are the verge of placements. You can come in. You can come in and ask any questions.
No, sir, I don't have any doubt.
Yeah, you are marketing, isn't it, Shanaz?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So Any more doubts? First years?
Sir, I have a doubt. My name is
Yeah.
Abhishek Reddy. Sir.
Yeah,
Hi.
please go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, is manufacturing units are best or online is the best, sir? Like companies are nowadays manufacturing units are nowadays closing like a lockdown wise. What is the situation about that now? Before and now,
I
This is
didn't get your
regarding
question.
like a
job opportunities.
job
Okay.
opportunity. Yes.
I didn't get your question, buddy. Sorry to.
No. His question is that who are you, Abhishek? Abhishek, your question
Yes, sir.
I got it, but let me put you in this way. Your question is whether
Online
facing ourselves,
platform
getting jobs, the joining any jobs in online platforms, otherwise joining any manufacturing company.
manufacturing. Yes.
Yeah, no,
Yes,
it
sir.
depends. It depends, Abhishek. As I know, it depends because wherever there's opportunity, you can just go in. What is it?
Yeah, exactly. It
Whether
depends. It depends, buddy. See, in this kind of situation also it depends. Okay, it depends upon the company exactly. So what kind of company you're working? If you're working in a small scale industry or also a big scale industry, okay, it completely depends. So that's the thing. So see, currently I'm working with e-commerce company. Okay, so e-commerce company or else pharmaceutical. So these are evergreen. Okay, marketing. These are evergreen companies. So you will not face any kind of loss. Okay, mainly
Yeah.
e-commerce company because see currently we are facing corona, we can't go outside, but they are delivering the food items or else clothes, each and everything to your doorstep, right? So this is a evergreen company. So e-commerce is always evergreen, like pharmaceutical as well.
Yeah, Abhishek,
It depends upon the industry.
I'll tell you one thing.
Yes,
Every year, situation changes. That's what yesterday, even your alumni president was saying the
Yeah,
same
yes,
thing.
sir.
The situations keep on changing from year to year. Opportunities keep on changing from year to year. Grabbing them is very important.
exactly.
It may be manufacturing, it may be e-platforms, or it may be some other platforms. But getting a job is very important.
Yeah,
Then from there on you can continue. So whenever you got an opportunity waiting for you after that, you can definitely jump into those jobs if you think they are really meant for you. That is what Sai also did it. From Jaro he jumped
Genpact
into
2 years.
Amazon. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is how the things will move on.
Because see we can't predict anything, okay, because see today's situation we didn't assume, right, this kind of situation we will face. So just grab the opportunities, okay, that's the only thing I can recommend you. Because don't look for that I want that kind of job only or I want this kind of job only, because in current situation the competition is too tight, okay. So getting a job is very difficult task. So that's why I'm always suggest that just grab any kind of opportunity. Later you can later you can check that what kind of opportunities you are looking for, because at least backup would be there for you, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you. So much information I got.
Yeah. Any more students? Last question. I will take a last question from you.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I'm Supriya, sir.
Hi Supriya.
Sir, I just had a doubt, sir. Like during this pandemic, like one of my friend works at Amazon, sir. So like I just came to know like people are being fired like due to this pandemic. Like, is that true? And like if it is true, like what are the reasons, sir?
No, it's a completely false statement because I never heard that Amazon fired. And moreover, they're hiring, till last week as well, they hired people. See, Amazon never fires, okay? So there's no need to worry. This kind of companies won't fire you at all because they're having a lot of opportunities. They're having currently a lot of opportunities in multiple platforms. They're hiring. In Naukri as well, you can see that Amazon is hiring. So they didn't fire any kind of associates, as per my knowledge.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. Any more you want?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Sai, which one do you feel the best company is? Is that Jaro or is that Genpact?
Who is
See,
this? Yeah, who is this?
Sir, my name is Rashmika, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay.
Okay, Rashmika, so both are completely different platforms. In Genpact, I worked as a procurement help desk, okay, and in Zaro, I worked as a marketing associate. So both are completely different. So here we have to sell something in Zaro, and in procurement help desk, I mean you have to set up vendors in the system. It's a completely office job. But in Zaro, you have to go for outdoor meetings as well. Like 80% is a office job and 20% is outdoor meetings.
So which one you enjoyed the most?
So I enjoyed in both the platforms, but in yes, Zaro I have enjoyed a lot because meeting different type of people. Okay, going to different type of places in the name of outdoor meetings. So I enjoyed Zaro environment rather than Genpact. Because in Genpact, just go to office and work. Okay, in Zaro it's completely different, right?
All right. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Any more questions, please? Yeah, I think we have to wind up over here. We are running short of time. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sai Lahari of 1416 batch who have made our college absolutely go high after bagging this very high package in those days of 6.5 lakh package in marketing. So Sai, it was wonderful talking to you.
Thank you
And,
so much, sir, for giving opportunity.
yeah, and in spite of your busy schedule and busy meetings, you could give your valuable time to CMR back once again and to the
Thank you, sir.
Department of MBA. So we will be in touch with you, Sai, and we
Definitely,
want more people to get attached to your under your what do you say company. So try getting in more students so that we'll also be very happy.
Definitely, sir.
That
Definitely.
is how we'll connect each other. And
Definitely, sir.
thank you, Sai, once again.
Thank you
you
so
very
much,
much.
sir.
Thank
It's
you
my
very
pleasure,
much.
sir. It's my pleasure to attend this meeting, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sai. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.